I've been unloading kilns for at least 127 years, and every one is like Christmas morning. So here we are. What are we on inside? Gonna come have a peek. A peek. So I'm just gonna take these mugs out. These are, that's not a big deal, Prairies and Mountain Mist mugs. It all stayed on. Everyone likes how the glaze runs, but there's a trick to having it run, but not run off the pot. When it comes out of the glaze load and the glaze is ruined, it's kind of a waste of time. And it's not pottery until it comes out of the glaze load. Ow, they're warm. They're pretty. They're pretty hot. That was the dipping tong marks. I never worry about dipping tong marks because it's handmade and I dip with dipping tongs. And mugs. Okay, 4 of these blue mugs are going to New York City. I've never been to New York, but my mugs have been. Trays, what a surprise. And this one and bolts. And I'll open up the bottom one and let it breathe for a minute and cool off. So that's it, mugs and bowls. Now I never put a bowl there because I always throw crap in it, and every time I unload a bowl from there it has sand in the bottom. So if there's no bowl there, there's no sand in the bottom. And I'm going to ask people watching to let me know in the comments below if you like the inside of this bowl or that finish. If you like one or two. Did the same glaze applied differently? But let me know what you think in the comments below. The outside is the same. The inside is different. Which one's nicer? There. And I could be a bank robber. I have no fingerprints. That's it. That's what you get out of a 16 cubic foot glaze load. That and hot fingers and no fingerprints. So this is it. This is what came out. I didn't count them. I think there's, I don't know, 30 and 20 mugs and a bunch of trays and some bigger trays and bowls. That's what you get in a 16 cubic foot kiln loaded fairly heavily. And I'll ask again, what finish on the inside do you like the best? Do let me know in the comments below. If you like this video to see what I can get in my kiln, please hit the like and subscribe. And if you do have comments, because I asked you to have comments, let me know in the comment section below. And thanks ever so much for watching.